All right, here we go. So bad capacitor, right? I always like to do my research. Well, why did the capacitor? Why is this thing acting up? The head pressure is almost 500. Look at the head pressure, 480, 490, 500. That's a $700 electric bill. Let's talk the customer into doing a cleaning, and let's see how much of a difference we can make. Let's open it up, change all the starting components, turn the water on, do a nice little drill flip, open up the whole entire thing. Little chihuahua trying to eat me. All right, let's get back to the AC. Clean it out. Get all the leaves, debris, dust, sand, anything that can clog up these coils. Look at how clogged up it is. It can't breathe. No wonder she has a $700 electric bill. This is easy, and if maintenance gets done right and kept first thing, you won't have $500 repair bills for me to come out and do this. Soap out the whole entire thing. Make it all nice and pretty. Clean everything spick and span. Alright, so I always like to dump a lot of soap. It's satisfaction to me. It's like yoga or something. Clean out the coils, make them all clean. So, I'm going to go on to the other side of the unit. It was giving off a weird smell. So, when this is that clogged up, when there's that much algae, that stuff is producing little germs and bacteria. The fan's right there. It's blowing it through the house. You're breathing this in while you sleep. Do you know how gross and bad that is for you? That is not healthy. Clean everything out. I'm going to take out the fan just because it's bad too. And you can see how much algae is clogging up the drain, clogging up the pan. There's the duct system. Clean out all the algae, that's pretty gross. But I cleaned it the best I could for her. And, it's not like she would know. But I always sanitize everything, clean it out. Look how dirty it is. Clean off the electrical cabinet the best I can. Now for the fun part, let's see how much the pressures drop. Higher pressures, higher electricity. Look at it. 350, baby, that's perfect. That's what we're talking about. She's going to save $400 a month on her electric bill. Easily. So I'm talking about